Hi, I'm Shaun Weldon. I'm a product manager at Meter Group, and today in this video we're going to walk you through setting up the VARIOS instrument. The first thing that you're going to want to do is get your Labros balance and level it using the bubble level indicator on the front of the balance. And then we're going to take off the weighing plate so that the VARIOS instrument can sit right on top here. We're going to place it evenly on those arms and then plug it into the back of the balance, making sure that the orange dots match up. Once that's done, we're ready to install the sensor into our sample. This is the install tool that's included with the complete set. And here I have a saturated sample that we're going to be using for our demonstration today. The sample ring has 2 holes in it that have been covered by tape so soil doesn't spill out. And we're going to line up one of those holes with this install tool. We're then going to take 2 of the included silicone retaining rings, and we're going to put one around the sample and latch it onto the installation tool. Once this first retaining ring is on, I'll move the sample onto the VARIOS instrument. I'll then place the sensor flat into the installation tool and gently slide it through the tape, ensuring that it stays flat in the installation tool. Once that's in place, I'll loosen the band and put it below the cable of the sensor. I'll then take a second retaining ring and place it around the sample and the top of the sensor. I can then remove the install tool and place the sample on top of the VARIOS. Finally, you're going to take the connector for the sensor and plug it into the VARIOS like this. Be sure that you hear a click. You're now ready to set up your sample in the software.